Hi, I'm Michael Moore, and our real estate team is excited to share with you today 168 Southwind Drive in Pleasant Hill. This is one of the hottest real estate markets in the country. Come on, let's check it out. This townhouse has one of the best locations in Ridgeview, with grand views and majestic oaks surrounded by a rolling hillside of open space. And nearby is Brioni's Regional Park with over 6,000 acres of open space and trails. This spacious townhome offers approximately 1,580 square feet of comfortable living space. This home was extensively remodeled over the recent years with quality fixtures and finishes throughout. The remodeled kitchen features custom cabinetry, GE profile stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and tile backsplash. The floor plan includes 3 bedrooms on the lower level, the master bedroom suite features a remodeled bathroom with a custom tile shower, plus a soaking tub. Once in a while, you discover a special home with all the right features. You will enjoy a carefree lifestyle at Ridgeview for the active homeowner, featuring tennis courts, swimming pool, and clubhouse, perfect for entertaining. Thank you for joining us today at 168 Southwind Drive. Give us a call when you're ready to find or sell your next home.